Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 1, 2019. Happy New Year to you all. It's New Year. New Year's Day 2019. And it's time for our Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging. Who? We'll do our Arnis bagging, alright?
You just scared me.
Yeah. I'm sorry, baby. See? Arnis bagging. Those are linear. Taga. That's a linear strike. Tigbas or taga. Now we'll do to curve strike or witik. 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 That's witik. Now we'll look for our median strike or snap strike. We can say fade or hata. See? See that? Snap strike. Median strike. See? That's how you measure your opponent. See that? It's like boxing. See? See that? Change foot. Same. See that? Median. Snap strike. It's like boxing, see? See that? It's like boxing. It's the same. See? This is the same, see? See that? Median strike, snap strike, yeah? Now we'll do the flywheel or the redondo. See? Like this. See that? Median strike, huh? Flywheel. Flywheel. Median. Change foot. Change hand. Flywheel. Redonda. See? Boom. Boom. See that? Flywheel. Redonda. Now we'll go to plancha. Plancha is a horizontal. Plancha. Plancha. Horizontal strike. Right? See? So you duck your opponent. See? Duck. Then. It's a plancha. See? Like. Then first strike. Immediately here. It's a plancha.
Can we go park?
Yeah, maybe later if it's not cold, maybe. So plancha. See? Change foot. I say change foot. See, same. Horizontal side. See? See? Plancha. Horizontal side. Next we'll do our X strike. So, see? Forward stance, fighting stance. Magkarutihan, my right hand. See? From here. See that? Then, see that? See? See that? See? And change foot from right hand to my left hand. Same. X. See? Same, huh? See that? X strike. So always remember you have to train both your right hand and your left hand. All your dominant hand and the non-dominant hand, right? Both, all, both hands, left hand, right hand. Now we'll do the abanico, okay? Abanico. So fighting stance, like a forward stance, and payong. Abanico strike is a payong. Payong, like a payong. It's like umbrella. See? It's like an umbrella. See that? Same here. Left hand. I love you, baby. My princess, Maika. Kiss ka ba? Love papa yan eh. Happy New Year, baby. So, abanico, okay? Umbrella, payong. See? See that? See? Abanico. Payong. What else? So we already discussed the linear strike, which is a tigbas or taga. We already did the curve strike, which is a witik. Curve, witik, see? And then we did already our flywheel, redunda, okay? Redunda. Flywheel, redunda, okay? Then we did our plancha or horizontal strike. Plancha. Plancha. See? See that? Plancha. And we did our X strike. X. X strike. Then we did our abanico. See? Of course, after the abanico, we have to do our sidewinder. Abanico, sidewinder. Abanico, sidewinder. So it's a continuation. Abanico with sidewinder strike. Right? Let's drink water. Ah. Plus, of course, we have our median strike. Median, like a jab. Like a jab in boxing. See that? Boxing and arnis are correlated. Remember this. Boxing and arnis are correlated. This median strike or snap strike, see, median. Median strike, see that? See? It's correlated with boxing. See the boxing? See that? It's the same. Median strike or jab or snap. Snap. See? It's the same here. Same here. See that? See? So the arnis and boxing, they are correlated. The difference is boxing are using gloves. Boxing glove, while the arnis, of course, using the cane, the ulisi, the baston, the yantok, you know, the bahi, the what is it? Kamagong. Yeah? That's it. Now we'll do the combinations, okay? Combinations of everything. Alright? Combinations of everything. So we have to strikes and various strikes, different kinds of Eskrima-Kali-Arnis strikes. Aggressions, offensive, attack. Alright? Eskrima-Kali-Arnis. Who? We have to do our first hit. See? First hit. From here, ready? The referee said, on your guard, fighters ready. Red corner ready. Blue corner ready. Make us say fight.
Fight.
See, that's the first hit. First hit. All right. Happy New Year 2019. Who? Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging technique. Who? Please don't forget to subscribe. Fitness Fanatic for more Eskrima-Kali-Arnis. Yeah. Ho! See you in the next exercises. Happy New Year to you all. 2019 and onwards. Aua!